All right, traders, George here, and an update for you on the S&P trade I shared with you Thursday in the live room. We are at 75s right now, okay? The trade setup was to be long over 1844. This is a key price point in the S&P. It's been a trigger point for several other trades I've showed you, and initially looking for 63s, then 72s. We're above both of those areas, so the bulls have done a great job of following through. And you can see how the traders sort of stalled out at 63, little catalytic pop there, and then we're at 75.50s right now. Defend 71, 75 if you have not taken anything off at all. That should be where at least one level of stops are at this point. That will book you 27.5 points at a minimum. That's 1375 per contract. That's $1,375 per contract, coming very quickly without a lot of work. Now look at the fib dots. They're also containing price real well up to about the 63 level, but you're giving up over 12 points there to watch for that to break. So that's more than what most of you are going to want to allow for this position to continue to work. Let me just give you a snapshot over here to the left. Here's where 72 is, and we're above that. That's incredibly bullish. We're also above all of this right here. So if we start to break below 63s, that's going to set up something like this and give the potential to move down like we did earlier. Okay, so below 62.75s, we'll look for a new short setup, but not until then unless we move up a bit higher. 1930 and 1956 to 1958, those are the two new all-time high targets I'm looking for, and really the 56 to 58 is the big one. Okay, bulls doing a great job here. Another killer trade on the bounce beam, moving well in favor. Initially, when I showed you the setup here, I said, well, if we happen to roll over and pop below the spike of this bounce beam, we'll use that for our stop. But below 30s, we're going to look to get short and work our way lower, and obviously that never happened. These are all still key trigger points if we happen to work our way down, but now we have to break through this level, which would create a short opportunity up here first. Okay, so just to keep that in mind, that's about it for now. We'll see you back in the live room.